Oh my gosh, I'm recording. Hey guys, it's me, Dylan, and I'm going to show you how to make the Brazil flag on a Rubik's Cube. So, as you see it, this is the Brazil flag right here. It's just a demonstration. So, by the time it comes back on the screen, it will be back to a normal Rubik's Cube. There. And let's get started with our first step. The first step is super simple. So you should have yellow, green. Move the green layer. Move the yellow layer where it is in the middle of green. Alright? So now you would have this too. That might come important later. Alright, so now the next step is pull the layer up. So pull this right layer up. To you guys, yeah, it's right. So just pull your right layer up. And then now, what you're going to do is you're going to turn these two to over here. So, these two layers. And remember, you can always pause the video. So I'm just going to give you a recap. You turn that layer, but now you lift this right layer up. Alright? Next, what you're going to do is you're going to move this layer to this. So, it should be here. And then we will move it to here. So, like that. So now you have this. And so then now you have your layer that you lifted up earlier. Just pull that down. And there's your Brazil flag. To undo it, you just pull that layer up. Move these two layers back where they were. Move this layer down. And then move this blue layer like that. And then you have your solved Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, notification bell. Bye.